Welcome back, and this is one more crop that we have taken. This is your groundnut, shengdana, that we use in our day-to-day cooking. So this is how it is done. We plant the groundnuts, and these flower. You can see one flower here. So there comes the flowering stage, and then the actual nuts start developing below the ground. So we can actually take out one of the pods and see the groundnuts. Let me look for a bigger one. We can actually do this one. Pluck this, and you should have some nuts ready beneath this. And I made a mistake. It has to be plucked properly right from within. Let me try one more. Yeah, let's see. Yes, so this is what we have. This is what we have. Nuts almost getting ready, and so here I'll keep them here and show you how they develop. Yes, so here they are. Let's further see. So see the magic of farming. You just plant one groundnut and you get these many, and that is why farming can be beneficial, but if done the right way. Now these are not completely ready. The I'm assuming that they are raw, so I'll not try and pluck anymore. So I tried to break open one of them, and they are here right now. Just let me focus. Yeah, not completely done, but eatable. So this is how groundnuts grow, and this is something that kids don't know. They would not know if a groundnut grows. Most of them, there are intelligent ones and the one who is aware. Most of them would not know if it grows above the ground, below the ground. So yeah, this is what it is. It grows below the ground, and this is how we get them.